Down the road I've been rolling. Where do I go from here? And every path that I've chosen, it's never been this clear.
I know cause I've been walking it. I know cause I've been lost for a bit. I know cause I've been offered rides, turned them down and talk some shit. Burn the bridge, the key is to learn the bit. Pay your dues and get what you earn to get. Yeah, let them talk, don't worry kid. Yeah, turn your cheek just to serve a fist. Boom, get so big, make them make room. Make them say, ooh, young boy turn to a tycoon. On stage like lights please. I wanna see how it is while I dream how it might be. As long as my fans in the front row, my band's in the tour van and girls are hitting high notes. Woo, I'ma be happy as fuck. As long as it takes, I'ma give it all that I got. It's all that I want.
Down the road I've been rolling. Where do I go from here? Every path that I've chosen, it's never been this clear. But then the streets are closed, I'ma keep pushing it on my own till I find my home. I'll never stop traveling down this road. It's a long road. It's a long road. It's a long road. It's a long road.
I know cause I've been running. Still ain't reached my destination, but I'm coming. Right on time, hold cool by my side. Cause if I'm gon' shine, they gon' shine. And the money ain't enough for me to break my stride. I'm an artist, I create my life. Every minute, every decision, every rule that I've broken is a part of the vision. Every song that I've written is a call to action. You feel the passion, this is so much more than rapping. This is life music, this is bags packed flight music. It don't really matter what the blogs like music. All music, when it gets hard we sing along music. Make peace not war music. Today and tomorrow music. So when the road feels long we never stop moving.